think about the visa fraud by Destiny Ebagua? That is a good question. I've seen the videos flying that Destiny is a fraud and all that. I personally don't think that Destiny is a fraud. Brandy, to answer your question, I don't think that Destiny is a fraud. It was a legitimate business that two persons came together to do business together. You know what? I can take you to this country, but things happen. I created a company in Nigeria that is still registered today, Go Travel Limited. Yeah? No, Go Travels and Holiday Support Limited. I have a CAC. For those of you who know how to search online, you can go and search it. I have a CAC. It's called Go Travels and Holiday Support Limited. It's a company. More than 5-6 years ago, I started helping people to achieve their travel dreams. When it comes to travel, I don't think there's any adult person right now who started travel business more than me. 15 years ago, I took a friend of mine to the United States of America. 15 years ago. 15 years ago, not 15 years, let me say 10 years ago. Go and verify. I applied for Miyaki in Edo State, the SSA to Governor Obazee. Go and verify it. Miyaki in Edo State, 10 years ago, I packaged a visa for him. The only reason why he did not get the visa was because his passport was about to expire. Go and verify from him. 12 years ago, I started traveling around the world. So when a person do a visa for you and the process is not successful, it's not his fault. They are not the embassy. No visa is guaranteed. No visa is guaranteed. When you make a visa for somebody, it's a 50-50 game. Yes. No matter how much a person package your visa, there's still a chance that you may not get the visa. As I speak to you right now, there are some persons that I applied visa for to UK, and that has been since like November. As I speak to you, individual, there's a family member that I've applied visa for, 2 of them in UK, but the visa is still not achieved. But if this was somebody, a random person's, maybe they would have brought me online already, say, Dion, you do visa for us, so you know go. So people should be mindful of how they criticize people. You that is seeking somebody to do visa for you, are you not aware that you too can do this visa for yourself? The process to do a visa, everything is online. You don't need an agent to apply for visa for you. You can take it one step after the other to create a UK visa for yourself. Many of you say that go school, but you are not exposed. Type it on Google now. No, my father, let me show you something. Let me show those of you who are watching me something today. If you don't have this app, let me give you this app. Check this app out. Look at this app. Please, every one of you, go and download ChatGPT. Download ChatGPT. I'm going to ask ChatGPT a question right now. Give me the process to apply for UK visiting visa. From Nigeria. Okay, I want to show you. I want to say my live broadcast. If you don't pick one thing from my live broadcast, let me say you be Mugu. Because we know they come online, because they do cho. We know they come online, because they insult people. I don't need to do that. I want you to benefit from my lifestyle. I want you to benefit from the things I know. I want to open your mind to possibilities. I want to inspire you to be kind. Our broadcast is not to condemn people. Our broadcast is for you to progress. Okay, so look at this chat up. Are they giving our free info now? So look at this. Okay, you see that? Give me the process to apply for UK visa. All you have to do is, this is ChatGPT, just click your name, look at it. Look on, we'll give you the process. Look on. Step by step guide to apply. See, follow this step. Visit the official immigration website. See, complete the online visa application. They'll even give you the link. US link, they there. Canada link, they there. Apply for the visa fee. See, the amount of the visa fee, they there. US own, they there. UK own, they there. Schedule a visa appointment. Gather all your document, all the documents you need. See, you see, everything you need, they there. Attend your appointments. Track your application. Now, so the process reach. So if you now carry your money, $10,000, $20,000, go give person they help you. It's your fault because you are not informed. You are not informed. You understand? So that is it. So any country you want to go to right now, for those of you who want to travel, go Europe, may I give you expo. The country where they give visa now, Bulgaria. For those of you who want Jackpa, I'm not encouraging Jackpa, but with the condition of this country, many people want to see other countries. For those of you who want Jackpa, the best country to apply to now is Bulgaria. It's a Schengen country. If your documents are complete and you have enough funds to be able to cover the time you want to spend in that country, you have to be, look, let me ask again, so that I will teach you now something. How much do I need to apply for Europe visa with 2 weeks visit? ChatGPT, the same app I show you just now. I'm about to teach you something. See, is the same. So what you need to apply for Europe visa for 2 weeks visit, $100 per day, €100 per day. They say, so if you are staying 14 days, what you need to show for your account now 1,400 euros, which is about 2.5 million naira. They say here. You see, bank statement, you will show them 3 to 6 months. Pay slip, you see, proof of sponsor. So you see all these things not become now common sense. So when you apply for Euro visa, you don't need to get 10, 20 million for your account. It's not necessary. You just need to show that you have been able to maintain a certain amount of the money you want to spend in Europe, which is about €100 every day. So if you are spending 10 days in Europe, you are expected to have at least €1,000 in your account. Follow the steps, you go get visa. Not be rocket scientist. By the grace of God, I don't travel 45 countries for the world. By the grace of God, I don't travel 45 countries for the world. Not because I dey travel just to go look. I dey travel, I get contacts. Because I know say all these contacts of different companies where I don't make, one day everything will pay off. Okay? Let me read some more comments. So please, Brandy, I would not like you to insult Destiny on my platform. I'm not going to accept that. I'm not going to accept anybody insulting Destiny, Ebagua, and Estadopa on my platform. Because many of you who come here to insult these people, you have not done for me what they have done for me. And that's my attitude. If you do one small good for me, for the rest of your life, I will keep appreciating that good, even if you turn back against me later. Because when I needed you, you were there. That's my attitude. Destiny Ebagua left Nigeria, flew to Europe to attend my event in Torino, God Sent Family Reunion. Let me see if I can see that. We'll talk with facts. We don't get time for long thing. Okay? We don't get time for long thing. We'll talk with facts. this event.
Family reunion and awards in Torino, Italy. This event is proudly brought to you by God Foundation and Convener Ambassador Dion Osagie. Akube RT.
So that's Destiny wearing yellow on that video. This guy left from Nigeria to come and attend my event in Torino, supported my event. Esther Edokpayi has performed at my event center for 100% free. So you know, no matter what you say about him, not on this page. Because at the end of the day, through a bad person, you can meet a good person. Through a bad person, you can meet a good person. May God not let us have bad people in our life. May God not let us do good. May we not do good for person who will come turn back against us. May God continue to protect all of us with our good minds.